Hey guys, this is Cassie, and here is a shorter clip from my trip at Bjørnfjell, or the Bear Mountain in Norway. I'm going down this fairly steep and curvy hill, and it's been taking all my focus to make the right gear choices and to use the help brake appropriately. You are not supposed to be scared when driving in places like this, but I must admit I was very nervous, even before it all went downhill, so to speak. If you use the main brakes or foot brakes too much, you're in risk of overheating them, and in the end it might cause them to stop working completely. So I only use the foot brake when I think it's absolutely necessary in these icy roads. The hill went well until I got to this curve here. I realized I had a bit more speed than I wanted to. Oh. I jackknifed and I'm freaking terrified. Ooh. Shield. Ooh. Ooh. My hands are shaking. They are so sweaty. I kinda wanna go home now. Can I do that? Alright, let's continue. Can barely get started from here, even though there's gravel on the ground. So what happened here and what went wrong? I think I would have handled this curve better on a normal road, but after coming down this mountain I had used a lot of focus already and my head was getting tired. The other trucks I saw here on this trip was generally going faster than me, like a lot faster. But they drive here every day and they know these curves and hills. And I'm still new to these environments, so it takes a lot of energy for me to stay focused. And after a few hours of roads like this, I had started to lose my focus a little bit. I was getting exhausted. So when the road started turning, I did the mistake of pressing down the brake pedal slightly too hard, which caused the truck to brake while the trailer lost its grip and started sliding sideways while pushing on the truck, a so-called jackknife. I let go of the brake as soon as I saw what was happening, and I opened the gravel boxes for the truck's driving wheels. And it did stop the jackknife from happening and I got my grip back. Everything went well in the end, but it was a really scary experience for me. Even if I know there's a few super truckers out there that would have handled things differently, of course. Anyway, I hope you found this video somewhat educational, because it truly was an educational moment for me. I am working on a long vlog from this trip, but it's gonna take me a while to finish it. So stay tuned and have a lovely day. Can you believe this is planet Earth? This is incredible! It looks like there's a final boss battle if you cross these mountains.